How to install Klacci iF+01 series cylindrical smart lock. Installation parts and tools are in the box. Please note, do not install the battery before installing the lock. Additional tools needed for installation. Check the thickness of the door before attempting installation. Please check the door backset for installation. Use the marking on the template to drill. Use screws to fix the latch and strike. Now you can install the chassis and the outside trim on the exterior side of the door. The side with the words "Door Center" are the outer side. The chassis has upper and lower wire channel, and you can adjust the wire routing based on the installation direction so that the wire remains on the upper side of the lock body. When tightening the nut, the wire must be placed inside the wire channel of the chassis. The outer nut has a notch facing outward. Screw the nut into the chassis. When screwing in, adjust the distance so that the door center arrow on the chassis is aligned with the center of the latch when the nut is pressed tight against the door panel. Next, place the outside reader in the chassis. The chassis is connected with the outside trim's wire terminal. And placed flat in the recess of the bottom plate. The wire cover is aligned with the tab and pressed down into the bottom plate. The chassis and the outside trim are installed. Next, install the chassis in the outer bore hole with the door in opening position. Squeeze the upper wire to ensure that the wire is inside the recess to prevent wire scratches. Please check if the chassis is engaged with the end of the latch. Check if the latch can be properly retracted. Next, install the inside liner. When installing, wire it through the center hole of the liner plate into the half-moon hole. The inner nut thread is raised toward yourself. Swing through the wire and screw into the lock. Use the wrench to lock the nut. Install the fire cap. Use screws to lock the liner plate. The main board assembly kit snaps onto the inside liner. Insert the wire from the top of the chassis into the terminal block on the main board. Press the wire into the snap slot of the main board assembly. Insert the wire below the chassis into the terminal block on the main board. Next, install the inner trim cover, and there is a tenon on the inside of the inner trim cover. When installing, please fit the inner trim cover from the top to the bottom and then flatten it on the door panel. Use screws to secure the cover. Install the 4 batteries. After inserting the battery, the green and red light each flash once, followed by a short beep, indicating that the door lock has been successfully powered. Please note that this product must use 4 AA alkaline batteries. Place the battery cover on and lock it. After installing the inside lever, turn the lever to check if the latch retracts. Next, install the outside lever. Use a Phillips screwdriver to rotate the sharp corner of the component inside the spindle to a vertical position. Push the lever in until it locks in with the lever catch. Turn key 45 degrees clockwise. Push the lever in to engage with the lever catch. Turn the key to check unlocking function. Turn the lever to check unlocking function.